Right, what's happening there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm really excited to be getting my rocker cover replaced. It's an absolute vile looking piece of shit, so we're going to be replacing that. I've been looking forward to doing this job since last week, but I've been very busy with work, and the water pump went on my sister-in-law's Mark 7 Fiesta, so I've had to get that done. But today, hopefully, as long as the rain stays off and the wind don't pick up, we should be alright, because it has been off and on all bloody morning, and now the sun is out. So I've just got to go pick up some bits, but I'll catch up with you once I get back and we'll get started on doing the car. Right, so this is my rocker cover. As you can see, it's absolutely hideous, it's absolutely horrendous. It's just not appealing at all. It's in an absolute shambles of a mess. Right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the VVT solenoid, just the little clip here. There's a little squeeze clip at the back. Pull that out to one side. And then remove all 4 of the spark plugs. With all of them, put them to one side. Next thing is there's a little breather hose here that goes into the side of the rocker cover. Just undo that. There's 10 of these 8mm bolts. Make sure you don't lose any of them, and they all contain rubber grommets, which also need replacing with the rocker cover gasket. So we'll undo all these and I'll show you what you're doing next. Right, these should now all be really loose. Should be able to pull it up. There we go, one rocker cover. Job's good in. Let's clean it up. Alright, so let's clean these bolts up, and alright, so let's start putting the new gasket in. I have bought this cheap one off eBay because I will have to be doing my cam belt in a couple of weeks, so I've just bought this cheap one for now, and then I can get a proper one from Ford to replace it with, but this will do the job now. It's like 20 quid off eBay. But I'll leave the link for this in the description. Make sure it's all pressed in. And then what you need is your bolts. If you order this, you get the grommets in it. These grommets are dimpled, so if you look on that side, there is a dimple in that side, and then if you look in that side, it's flat. So a lot of people think these will go flat and push down, but they don't. They go upwards, and what they do is it goes that way. So the dimple faces upwards, and then it creates vacuum between the sleeve and the bolt, and then in turn creates vacuum between the rocker cover gasket itself and the sleeve. Right, what you want to do once you get to this point is slide the grommet all the way up towards the head of the bolt, and then you've got to get the rest of the sleeve into the rocker cover gasket, into the hole. So this gasket goes into that side of the sleeve. So as you can see on the gasket, it's got these little teeth in it, these little edges here. They obviously slide over this lip on this slide on here. So if you push it up from underneath, it is very tight. It's obviously you're trying to push two gaskets against each other, the grommet and the actual gasket. But you just try and push down whilst pushing up. They do go in. And that's it then. And then you just do the rest. Right, back under the bonnet. Grab your new, newly cleaned up rocker cover. Make sure that all the gasket is pressed in. We don't want no twattish bits. And if done correctly, should all come together. Just need to go around these just finger tight. Just go around until they slightly catch on the gasket. These are a two-stage tightening process. 2 Newton meters and 7 Newton meters being the final tightness that you want it. But I find if you roll in this round to the point where it's just starting to catch, that'll be your 2 Newton meters, because it is very, very light. It's 2 Newton meters. What you need next is a torque wrench. Now this is a 1/4 inch torque wrench, and you see the lowest point there. Hang on, let me zoom you in here. So it's 5 Newton meters is the lowest it goes to, and there's 7, so just at that line. So I'm going to roll that up until it gets to that line. 5, and there's 7. That is now set to 7 Newton meters. Lock down the pin on the back, and the way you want to do this, like doing a screen protector on your phone or something like that, is you start from the middle and you work your way outwards. So we start here. There it is. 7 Newton meters. Then you go on to this one. Top, middle, 7. Then the bottom outer middle, 7, and then the top outer middle, 7, and then you go the left inner, 7, the right inner, 7, and you go the top right, 7, bottom left, 7, top left, 7, bottom right, 7. Magical. And there is my nice Magnum Grey rocker cover. But it don't finish there, because I still need to put on my ugly ass oil cap. Click, 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 why not? But then I've got to put on my And to make this thing look even better, I spoke to a guy called Nick, and Nick owns a company called NM Designs, and he printed these out for me. These are my jpst stickers for my channel, and they look awesome, but way too big to go on there. But what he also does is this. That is a gel overlay ST170 engine cover, and it looks amazing. Right, so let's put this on just to make it look better, and I have cleaned all the surface up here. Oh, what a beautiful finishing touch that is. That looks immense. Let me pull yours out a bit and I'll give you a better look at it. Right, that's it for this video now, guys. I'll leave a link to NM Designs for his website and for his Instagram. If you like the channel, hit the like button. If you want to help the channel, hit the subscribe button. As you can see, NM Designs, Nick does my jpst stickers. Well, just drop one. Really far. That's the small one, the other one's the large one. If you want one, just hit me up on social media. Big thanks to Nick for the gel overlay and for my jpst stickers. This thing's really coming along together now, guys, so smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.